Now, over the last few months, there's never been a dull moment with our resident pet experts, the barking blondes, Anna Webb and Joe Good, especially when it involved Molly, Matilda and food.
This looks as though humans could eat it. In fact, probably humans could, but this is for dogs, isn't it, Anna?
But chocolate is not for dogs.
No, and it's not actually chocolate. And what they've been very clever to do is substitute the chocolate with carrot, because chocolate, of course, contains a nasty chemical. I'm sorry. Look at that. Molly is extremely focused on it. Molly, would you like to try a little bit? Oh, right, OK. It's all okay. Molly, you've got so much. You can't get it all in. It's stuck. Right, just take a little bit off. All right, I might try a little bit. I do like to try, Molly.
Anna will always eat dog food.
Do you know, I wonder why your hair was so shiny and your nose was so damp. Will you put that cupcake down?
Yeah, down.
So you can do your...
Have a drink, Matilda, have a drink now.
You can have a drink,
You have a drink. There you are. See, having a drink now. Drink? Would you like a drink? It's here, then. She doesn't want that. She's much more... Would you prefer the cupcake?
She'll
She'll love that icing.
Yeah.
A bit of...
Find it. So what we're hoping she's going to do here is use her mouth to pick up this bone object there and reveal the treat in
Well
it.
done, Mol.
Yeah, Molly, find it, work it. Oh, she's getting a bit excited now.
Now, that is an intelligent dog,
Well, it is, actually, I know.
If you turn it upside down, Molly, they all fall
There we
out,
are.
don't they?
Well
Great
done.
news, great
She's got
news.
the second one.
So, testing your dog's
There we are.
IQ. She has to spin the sort of frisbee disc
And she spins.
across it.
There's about 6 of those little hollows, and if she's clever enough, which she's not the sharpest knife in the drawer. Oh, here we go. So she hopefully will spin it round. Come on, Tilt, spin, spin. She should be doing this herself, you see. So there we go.
She's getting there.
Good girl.
And now for your next position in today's Doga class. And into the downward dog.
Doga is yoga for you and your dog. And we're going to start with the breathing, which is very important because that slows down
I always
our
find it's very useful to breathe.
sympathetic nervous system, parasympathetic nervous system, and the dog. So we're going to start with panting, Kapalabhati. And eye contact with your dog. Taking a deep inhalation, take the arms over the head, look up to the sun. Exhale, fold forward and breathe deeply, ladies. Inhale.
Look at me when I'm talking to you. And spin back. So who's the folk with allergies, girls?
Oh, yes, absolutely, because they're not... It's not dog fur, is it? It's slightly different.
No, it's much sort of coarser, bristly hair.
Absolutely, but they have the intelligence to... Yes, loves
You're
you.
not doing anything, are you? So what's going to happen to Amber here?
This is Amber, and I'm going to give her a bit more of an exotic makeover.
Oh, heavens, have we got some pictures of things you've done? I mean, there's one astonishing one. What on earth's that?
That's my octopus entry for when I competed in America.
Heavens above. This is what Amber looked like earlier, and this is what she looks like now. Wow. So we wanted to see what's new in the world of dog fashion. Yes, it's time for the dog walk. OK, first dog, Joe.
Here we go, then. Wish us luck. This is Molly, Anna's miniature bull terrier, all dressed...
I've done some things in my time, but this is...
all dressed for the great outdoors, and this is an outfit by Roughwear. And as you'll see, she's got panniers either side, so you can keep treats in there, poo bags, and also she's got a boot, which is very good because...
Just the one?
Just the one.
Right, thank you, Molly, very much. Thank you, James.
Thank you.
Next up.
Next up is Lola, the standard poodle. Lovely, who's sashaying along here in a fantastic pink puffer jacket.
And finally...
Finally, now everybody likes to dress up and go to the fancy dress, so this is my bulldog, Matilda, who always loves an outfit, and she's come as a cupcake.
Yeah,
as you...
Looks like a sink plunger on her head.
Oh, Matilda, you're doing very well. The collar is from Diamond Dogs, and she's very food-orientated, Matilda, so she likes food, so she's a
you
little
dress your
pancake.
pet?
Not like that. Look at it.
She loves you,
She
James.
looks like Brian Turner, does she?
Using actions and props, our pet experts Joe Good and Anna Webb will try to describe a certain dish or food. You simply got to guess what it is. However, the catch is they can't use any words.
Right.
So, girls, off you go. Dish number 1 is... Dish number 1?
I've got that one.
What's that one?
That's toad in the hole.
Toad in the hole, there you go. Yes. Dish number 2. Dish number 2, yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's all right. Pigs in blanket, got that one.
Yeah, got that one. Right, very good. I thought you'd be fast at this one. Next one. Here we go. She's putting on the ears. Yes. Rabbit. Oh, sorry. Bunny.
I've got it, but I just want them to wear those a bit longer. Welsh rabbit.
Welsh rabbit. Right, rabbit. Next one. Hang on, listen. Oh, sorry.
Bubble and squeak.
Oh, they're so hard, aren't they? Is that it? Oh, another one there. Yes, look. You see what she's standing on?
I just want to do it for a little bit longer. Serpentine.
Serpentine!